Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of superfoods. We'll explore the top 10 superfoods you need to incorporate into your diet and uncover the incredible health benefits they offer. So, let's get started and supercharge your health. First up on our list is kale, the king of leafy greens. Kale is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium and potassium. It's also rich in antioxidants and fiber, which can help reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol, and aid in digestion. Add kale to your salads, smoothies, or even make kale chips for a delicious, healthy snack. Next up, we have blueberries. These small, but mighty berries are a powerhouse of antioxidants, which help protect your body against free radicals and reduce inflammation. They're also high in fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin K. Adding blueberries to your yogurt, oatmeal, or just eating them by the handful can help improve your heart health and brain function. Quinoa is a fantastic superfood that's not only gluten-free but also a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. It's rich in fiber, iron, magnesium, and B vitamins, making it an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans. Quinoa can be used as a substitute for rice or pasta, and it's perfect for salads, soups, and even breakfast bowls. Salmon is a fan favorite superfood, and for good reason. This fatty fish is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and support heart health. Salmon is also a great source of high-quality protein and B vitamins. Try incorporating baked or grilled salmon into your meals at least twice a week for maximum benefits. Avocado, the creamy, delicious fruit that's taken the world by storm, is next on our list. Avocado is loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, potassium, and vitamins C and E. It can help lower cholesterol, improve digestion, and even support healthy skin. Enjoy avocado on toast, in smoothies, or as a base for homemade guacamole. Almonds are a versatile and nutrient-dense superfood, providing a great source of healthy fats, fiber, protein, and vitamin E. They can help lower bad cholesterol levels, promote healthy skin, and even aid in weight loss. Snack on a handful of almonds, or use almond butter as a spread for a delicious and nutritious treat. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they pack a powerful punch. These little seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and antioxidants. They can help improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and support heart health. Add chia seeds to your smoothies, yogurt, or make a tasty chia seed pudding for a superfood boost. Spinach is another leafy green superfood that's packed with nutrients. It's high in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and calcium. Spinach is also a great source of antioxidants, which help protect your body from oxidative stress. Incorporate spinach into your salads, stir-fries, or even blend it into a green smoothie for a nutritious kick. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious but also a fantastic source of vitamins A and C, fiber, and potassium. They can help support healthy vision, boost your immune system, and even aid in weight loss. Try swapping out regular potatoes for sweet potatoes in your favorite recipes or enjoy them roasted, mashed, or baked. Last but not least, we have Greek yogurt. This creamy, tangy superfood is packed with protein, calcium, and probiotics, which support a healthy gut and immune system. It's also low in sugar and can help keep you feeling fuller for longer. Enjoy Greek yogurt as a snack with fruit and honey, or use it as a base for smoothies and salad dressings. And there you have it, folks. Those were the top 10 superfoods you should incorporate into your diet to supercharge your health. Remember, balance and moderation are key, and always aim to consume a wide variety of nutrient-dense foods. As a bonus for watching this far, we'll share 3 delicious recipes that combine the superpowers of kale, quinoa, and chia seeds to help you stay energized and healthy. Recipe 1. Super Green Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup kale, chopped, 1 cup spinach, 1 ripe banana, 1/2 cup pineapple, chopped, 1/4 cup quinoa, cooked and cooled, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup almond milk or water. Instructions. In a blender, combine kale, spinach, banana, pineapple, cooked quinoa, chia seeds, and almond milk or water. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and enjoy this nutrient-dense smoothie for breakfast or as a snack. Recipe 2. Superfood Salad. Ingredients: 2 cups kale, chopped, 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1/2 cup shredded carrots, 1/2 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, 1/4 cup chopped walnuts, 1/4 cup dried cranberries, 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 1/4 cup feta cheese, optional. Dressing, 1/4 cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon honey, salt and pepper, to taste. Instructions. In a large salad bowl, combine kale, cooked quinoa, shredded carrots, cherry tomatoes, walnuts, dried cranberries, chia seeds, and feta cheese, if using. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, honey, salt, and pepper. Pour dressing over the salad and toss until well combined. Serve immediately or refrigerate for later. Recipe 3. Chia seed pudding with quinoa and fruit. Ingredients: 1/4 cup chia seeds, 1 cup almond milk or coconut milk, 1/2 cup cooked quinoa, cooled, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup mixed berries or fruit of your choice. Instructions. In a medium bowl, combine chia seeds, almond milk or coconut milk, cooked quinoa, honey or maple syrup, and vanilla extract. Stir well to combine. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, or overnight, until the chia seeds have expanded and the mixture has thickened. When ready to serve, give the pudding a good stir and divide it into 2 servings. Top with mixed berries or your choice of fruit and enjoy this nutritious and delicious dessert. With these 3 superfood recipes, you'll be able to enjoy the benefits of kale, quinoa, and chia seeds in delicious and easy-to-make meals. Incorporate these dishes into your diet to boost your energy levels, improve your overall health, and satisfy your taste buds.